Good morning, Niger. And thank God, say today na Friday. You know, say I always love Friday because person go rest. Yes, we done the yarn you they come about asthma. And yesterday, I been start the main cocoa, the one where I want address well. That now waiting Oyibo they call status asthmaticus. And I explain, say this one now when that asthma, normal asthma attack, don't pass, be careful. I give you some of the symptoms where you go take no waiting it be. My name na Dr. Adora, and this na your health corner for Good Morning Niger show. Now, some of these symptoms where I mentioned yesterday, one of them na say because the body of the person, they try receive more oxygen because it dey hard for them. You can't notice say the person will be like say get hunchback. Because the rib cage they open to make sure say more oxygen they enter inside because of the narrowness of the airways. So therefore, you can notice say the abdomen and the neck will be like say the muscle they strained, because they contract because they try get in more air on top of that one. You can notice a person go they want to sit down or stand up to breathe more easily. Go they look for position where go take keep himself to make sure say they take in the air well. All this one na signs of impending respiratory system failure. That na say the respiratory system go soon crash and it need immediate medical attention because you know now if person respiratory system crash, what's going to happen? Na quite be that. So if it be say they wheeze, that's in they make that musical sign or musical sound or they cough. With this severe asthma attack. Some people know they experience them. In fact, the presence of this wheezing or coughing not be reliable standard to take judge as the asthma attack take, strong way. So very severe asthma attacks may affect the airways so much that the lack of air inside and outside the lungs not will even cause this wheezing sound or coughing. So waiting they cause this severe asthma attack. Waiting they cause them. Unlike that acute one, the causes where I've been mentioned before. Unlike the other one where they talk, they're not too sabi. Those people will get this history of infrequent health care, or people will get poor treatment of asthma. Now them, their own go progress to this severe asthma attack, where they call status asthmaticus. Then some research people, some service people, they don't do research, can't discover saying people where they at risk for severe asthma attack, that they get poor control of allergens. You know, I talked before, say you get some triggers where they make this asthma attack to appear. So they know they control their own. For example, that they did for house where get plenty dust. You know, I don't mention that one before, say that one a trigger. Or that they did around place where get plenty air pollution, or that they work for places where all these triggers just full everywhere. So these people, that they also infrequently they use, you got one thing what they call peak flow meter. And this peak flow meter, they take measure as your asthma, they go. And for you to monitor yourself, to know, to prevent all this kind of attack, it good make you, they use the peak flow meter. On top of that one, some people, they inhale steroids. Some kind of steroids. And this one, they get potential to cause these plenty manifestations of asthma. So these anti-inflammatory drugs, they get some way they high in reducing inflammation, but then too, they associated with asthma. How you want to prevent severe asthma attack? The most important thing now to monitor your lung function. All these ones, if you go meet your doctor, he go explain and more give you. How do you monitor your lung function? Now by using this peak flow meter regularly. Then on top of that one, make you they take your asthma medication. Any medicine where your doctor give you, say now for asthma. If he tell you, say take them 2 times a day or take them once a day, I beg, take them as he tell you. Take them like that. Then how person want to diagnose this thing? Very simple. To diagnose this severe asthma attack, or actual status asthmaticus, your doctor go notice certain physical findings, such as you take day conscious. You go they measure your consciousness, then how you they quick tire, then you go measure how you they use your accessory muscles, that are muscles for your neck, your belly, they breathe. Even your respiratory rate, you go check all these ones, but you don't even need all this information. I will still continue to give you gist on top of this matter, but time don't reach where I go waka. Make sure say you don't miss me next week. But in the meantime, enjoy your weekend. My name is Dr. Adora, and And this now your health corner on top Good Morning Naija show. And I wish you happy weekend. See you next week.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.